In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best benchmark wine discount promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and search for benchmark wine discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called World Penny. And as you can see, we have some promo codes right here that you can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount, all you have to do is select show code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Noji. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount right here. For example, if I want to get, let's say, this one with pay free shipping, which is also verified, simply select get this code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can simply select copy right here. And you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get that free shipping. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.